Brennan, say Happy Easter. What do you have? Say a chocolate-covered peep? Mmm. Num-nums. Mmm.
Dad, this crack is way small on my game. The red game. The red game. That's what I'm talking about.
Let's see what your brothers are doing. Adrian, what are you eating? What is it?
The bunny's ears.
That's so mean.
What are you eating, Jamin? Are you eating the left side of the bunny's face?
No. Yeah.
How about you, Steve? You got the right side of the bunny's face?
Yeah.
Is he delicious? What? Yeah?
Can you say Happy Easter?
No.
Can you say happy birthday?
Dad.
How old are you?
2.
How old are you today?
2.
2.
Good job.
Stevie, how old are you today? Are you 2? Good job. Say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.